I have a Chanel unboxing, which I'm super excited for. Welcome back. Today we have a little bit of a collective haul of some pieces that I picked up over the last week or two. I also have a Chanel unboxing, which I'm super excited to share with you all. I was able to tick off a piece from my wish list, and I will also be sharing with you all a piece that I picked up from Longchamp, which I think is going to be so good for the spring and summer season. If you are new around here, my name is May, and if you enjoy these type of handbag, fashion, and lifestyle sort of videos, then do please consider subscribing down below. Also, make sure to turn on that little notification bell. I'm starting to do 1-minute review short videos on all of my handbags, and I would hate for you guys to miss out. So without further ado, let's jump into the first little piece that I did pick up, and this was actually this weekend, and that is from Longchamp. So I actually went into their store because I saw that they released the most amazing colors for the spring and summer season. They release new colors, the essay was actually telling me, every 6 months. So I feel like when you find a color that you like, you need to definitely pick it up. So I went into the store to take a look at this piece, and I'm not gonna keep chatting. I'm gonna go ahead and reveal it, and then we'll get into the little story time. All right, so let's get into it. So it did come packaged in their Longchamp tissue paper, and I think you'll be able to see what it is. So I went into the store to check out and officially add this super cute Longchamp pouch with handle. If you saw my latest video, which I collaborated with Mel, I did mention that I wanted to add a little bit of color into my collection this year, so I'm sticking true to my word. This pink is perfection, you guys. It is the perfect shade of pink. It's not like a Barbie pink, but it's not a pastel pink. It's just so perfect for spring and summer, and I am so excited to incorporate it into my outfits for that season. If you're new around here, I tend to wear a lot of neutrals, a lot of black, maybe some beiges, gray tones, and then I dress really casual, usually jeans and a cute top. But I want to start incorporating a little bit more of like dresses and flowy tops this year. So that is the plan. And I thought that by adding this little cute piece, I would be very inspired to stick to my word and actually add those pieces. So the idea behind this handbag is actually to add a chain to it. There are a few videos that have come out that actually make a hole on these little tabs here. I don't want to do that, and that is not how I actually saw it styled when I did see this piece originally last year. I saw it in one of the boutiques, and they had tied a twilly around the handle, and then they had attached a chain to that twilly. So that is exactly what I'm planning on doing for this piece, which leads me to my next little piece that I did pick up, and that is actually from one of my favorite small businesses. I'm doing a literal true unboxing with you guys here, but I have added a ton of pieces from Silk Philosophy before, and she has beautiful, great quality silk pieces, and as soon as I saw this one, I knew that I wanted to add it for this specific bag. I'll make sure to leave it linked down below in case you want to check out her boutique. She has a ton of different color choices to choose from, and they're super well priced in my opinion. This is not sponsored or affiliated in any way, shape, or form. I just honestly love her pieces. And here we have the piece that I chose. I mean, these colors are just absolutely fantastic. I cannot wait to start styling this little piece. I can style it on its own with my actual outfit, but the idea behind it is definitely to tie it in this little bag, which I will share with you guys how it is that it ends up looking. Now, I feel like the colors just pair so perfectly and so beautiful. I love the royal blue and the purple that the twilly has, which make the pink pop even more, which is totally the vibe that I'm going for. So what I'm going to do really quickly is go ahead and tie this twilly around the handle. All right, guys, are you ready? Oh my God, this is so cute. I'm so sorry for my annoying little voice, but I am totally obsessed. I've always wanted to add color into my handbag collection, but I feel like I gravitate to neutrals a lot easier than a colorful or a pop of color. And I saw this and I just thought this is the perfect way to start dipping my toes into a bright, bold color of handbag. and it is the cutest little thing. So I wanted to show you really quick, and one of the things that I wanted to mention was I actually love the length of Silk Philosophy's twillies because it really does fit perfectly on handles of handbags that are smaller size, and this one was just the perfect match for this super cute little bag. And then I wanted to share with you all how I went ahead and attached this chain. Now, all of these fashion houses have their twillies and have their chains, but you guys, they are seriously so overpriced. So of course this chain is from Amazon. It is a great quality, and to be honest with you, it is the perfect shade of gold. It matches perfectly with the hardware of this piece as well. And the whole idea behind it was to go ahead and clip it here on the twilly, and then this would allow me to be able to have the option of attaching the chain and wearing it crossbody. And if I didn't want to use the chain, I can very easily just remove it from the twilly and carry a top handle, which I think is going to be such a cute look. We have a vacation planned for my birthday in June, and this is definitely the bag that's coming with me. So really quick, just wanted to share a few mod shots of how it looks on me crossbody. With this chain in particular, I think it hits perfectly. Don't mind my joggers in the bottom. This is the honest truth about being a YouTuber. We dress up on the top and get all casual in the bottom. But here you have exactly how it looks, and I particularly like my bags to hit me like so. I don't like to hit me too low on my leg and not too high either, but you can play around with the length of the chain so that you can find one that suits you. But you guys, tell me you love this piece as much as I do. I think it is so stinking cute. It's gonna go perfect with a flowy blouse or even a very nice dress. I'm looking forward to styling it with like maxi dresses or even a cute little romper. And then the top handle option is just so cute as well. You can carry it like so. You can even put it in the crook of your arm, and she just lays there so comfortably also. I gotta say, I'm totally obsessed, and this whole little setup is probably less than $125. And this bag actually fits a good amount. I'll probably do a video later on with some styling options and showing you guys what fits inside. But the main thing I wanted to share with you is that it does fit my iPhone 13 Pro Max. I have the case here because I'm filming on it right now, but as you can tell, it slides right in so perfectly, and you still have a ton of space to play around with inside. Of course, I want to hear your thoughts on this little setup down below. Let me know if you're going to consider adding this piece. If you already have it in your collection, I actually started searching through YouTube, and so many people had already added it to their collection and styled it in various ways, so I cannot wait to start styling mine. And of course, I already added a few more to the wish list. Now, speaking about wish list, let's get into my second piece, and that is this little cutie from Chanel. If you did watch my recent wish list video that I filmed for 2022, then this piece will come at no surprise to you, so let's get right into it. Of course, you have the beautiful packaging from Chanel, and then a really cute camellia here, and we do have a small little box inside. Now, I'm sure most of you know already what this is, but what you don't know is exactly the style that I chose. And I have here to reveal to you all a beautiful Chanel brooch that I added into my collection. It is absolutely stunning. I actually went into the boutique this weekend because I wanted to take a look at their brooches, and you know, with Chanel, I mentioned it in my first Chanel unboxing also, you have to go in, and if you see something and you like it, you have to grab it because you never know if you're really going to be able to come across it again. So I went ahead and just visited the boutique to take a look at their brooches, and she shared with me a few. I'm sorry I wasn't able to grab any clips. I was really interacting with her and totally forgot to film for you guys. But as soon as she saw this one, even my husband was like, yep, that's the one. I totally agree. If you have been watching my channel for a little bit, you know that it's totally me. I love the touches of pearls on it, and I feel like it looks very elegant. There was another pearl one. I'll try to see if I can find a picture online, but that one looked a little bit childish and unfortunately cheaply made. However, this one just looks absolutely gorgeous. I think it's actually the perfect match to my Chanel earrings. I don't know if I will be styling them together, but I can go ahead and give it a shot and see how that looks. Of course, I'm so excited to start putting this over blazers, on a jean jacket, even on turtlenecks. I have seen girls wear like chunky knit turtlenecks and then go ahead and place it kind of on the side of the turtleneck, and I really love that look. So if you aren't following me already on Instagram, make sure to do so, because I go ahead and post a lot of fashion inspiration there, outfit of the days, and then I will be posting a ton of pictures with this new cutie. And now the last piece that I wanted to share with you all is in this box. It is actually a pair of Sam Edelman Chelsea boots. We do have a trip hopefully planned for New York in the next couple of months, and I have loved my naturalizer boots so much. I love that they give that like combat boot vibe, but they do have a little bit of heel, which I totally appreciate. I am 5'3" or 160 centimeters, so I welcome any height with open arms, and I saw these recently on their website and they were actually on sale. I ended up getting them for almost 50% off. Here are the boots, and at first they definitely look a bit chunky, but I have a couple of outfits in mind that I would love to style them with. I think they'll look super cute with like leggings and then an oversized sweater, or even with a skirt or leather shorts and then some black tights underneath. I specifically am so excited to try them on because I have been loving my Sam Edelman loafers. They've turned out to be so amazingly comfortable that I am shocked. I'll make sure to insert a couple of clips of me trying them on and let you know if I did decide to keep them or not once I go ahead and film those clips. Alright everyone, so that does it for this collective haul. I cannot wait to start styling these pieces and incorporating them into my everyday looks. If you are new around here, do consider subscribing down below. And as always, I appreciate each and every one of you for coming back and watching my videos. I hope you all have a wonderful day or night, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye everyone.